Welcome to Friendly Math 101. Today our lesson is going to be on order of operations. Although it's not common for an Algebra 1 teacher to assign simple order of operations problems, it is a skill that you need to understand because it applies to a lot of concepts throughout high school math classes, especially when it comes to simplifying and evaluating expressions and solving equations. So let's take a look at what it's probably looked like for you. PEMDAS. PEMDAS is an acronym that students use to remember the order of operations. The P stands for parentheses, although it really means any grouping symbols, including brackets and braces, and with those you work your way from the inside out. E stands for exponents. The M and the D stands for multiplication and division. And a common misconception here is that a lot of students think multiplication has to come before division because the M is written before the D, but multiplication and division, you just work from left to right. The same thing with the A and the S, addition and subtraction. A lot of students think that the addition has to come before subtraction, but with addition and subtraction, you just work from left to right. Let's take a look at a few examples. So here we have a very basic order of operations example. There's only addition and subtraction. And again, with addition and subtraction, we work our way from left to right. So we're going to start with 7 plus 10, which we know is 17. And then after that, we still just have subtraction and addition, so still working from left to right. 17 minus 5 is 12, and 12 plus 3 is 15. Easy enough, right? So if we were to mix in some other operations, let's say we have multiplication and subtraction. With this problem, the multiplication has to come first. So the 3 times 2 is 6. And 9 minus 6, we all know, is 3. Easy enough. Let's throw some grouping symbols into a problem. So here we have parentheses, we have subtraction, division, and multiplication. Where do we start first? With order of operations, we start with our grouping symbols. So I'm going to simplify what we have inside the parentheses. 6 minus 4 is 2. And here we have divided by 2 times 5. So with division and multiplication, we're working our way left to right. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 1 times 5 is 5. So there's our basic lesson over order of operations. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comments below. And for more math tutorials, please subscribe to our channel, Friendly Math 101.